I'm Jordan Rhind, the head greenkeeper at Niddry Castle Golf Club. I've been in this placement for about a year now. The golf course is an 18-hole golf course. It used to be a 9-hole course about 20 years ago, but they bought new land and built another 9 holes. We've had quite a lot of bad luck with machinery in here since I came in, and pretty much we were really struggling at the start of the year. We've always had ride-ons in here, and basically there's just constant issues. And Fairways gave us a demonstration, and we just clicked with it. Thought it was actually a really good machine. It handled the course well, and when it's raining, like it always rains up here, it's good because you're in a tractor, so we preferred it really, it's good. Quality of cut's really good. I was actually quite surprised how good the cut was. I'm not used to working on a ride-on fairway more, that it was a bit of a push to come and get the Wessex, to be truthfully honest with you, but once I got it in, I was right impressed with the cut. It was a good cut, nice, I'm happy with it. It was a heck of a lot cheaper than what a full-blown rough mower would be, and for the standard of cut that you get, it's a no-brainer, to be truthfully honest with you. Maintenance is really easy. I mean, you can grease the machine in next to 10 minutes. The grease points are really easy to get to, belts are really easy to get to, and changing the height's extremely easy as well. We've probably got the mower running every day. I mean, the course is really big. We've got a lot of rough, so the mower's probably running about 8 hours, 9 hours a day. Right now we're cutting at 40mm just to deal with the length of the grass. It's just growing at an unbelievable rate right now. That was one of my main worries, was the undulations in here, because like I say, we've got old railways running through the full golf course basically, but I mean, if there is ever a gauge, it's basically our error. It's not the machine's fault, but no, it handles it extremely well. Before I took over, they just had an old standard rough mower. It didn't have any rollers or anything on it. So when we got the Wessex in, it's now leaving like definition. It's got lines on the golf course, so the comments have been extremely well. For the price that you're getting that machine, it's a no-brainer to go with it. If you can afford to go for it, go for it. Probably about 3 times cheaper than an actual fairway mower. I would recommend it, aye, definitely, I would recommend it.